If you think your fingers are too clumsy to play guitar, watch this. I'm going to use 2 fingers, keep it super simple, but massively rewarding. What we never realize is that our nervous systems don't get a chance to rest. Wake up wired, start scrolling, white knuckle the day, and next thing you know, things start to get pretty tense. By the end of the workday, you're snapping at people for no apparent reason. Hey, that's not a character flaw. That's just a nervous system that needs a reset. Spend 30 seconds researching breathing and regulating your nervous system, and you will be flooded with information stressing the importance of learning how to re-regulate, de-escalate in natural ways. Most of them always circle back to breathing exercises. I challenge you to come back tomorrow and let me know if it's working for you. If you did this for 3 or 4 or 7 days, I think your entire perception would change. All right, enough of all this yapping. Here's the reset. I'm going to use an A minor chord and a C chord, and that's it. Here's the cool thing. I'm only using my finger and my thumb, and I'm pinching 2 notes together. As we get flowing here, you'll get more comfortable, and you'll find for yourself that maybe you want to experiment with other notes within the same chord position. Here's how it works. I'll start with an A minor, and I'm going to pinch the notes on strings 2 and 3 while holding the A minor position. If you're new to my channel, this is what we do. We breathe and strum. And with box breathing and guitar, you're going to try to inhale, hold, exhale, hold. I use the guitar in between the inhale and the exhale, like this. Okay, now we're going to get fancy and we're going to add the C chord. Here's the cool thing about going from A minor to C. Look at the difference. It's a 1-finger difference. So what caught me there was the bass notes. I could feel the vibration from the body of the guitar, and that deep resonance can really put you into a different state of mind. Most guys who don't stay with it never gave it a fair chance. So do that for 2 minutes, not to get better at guitar, but to re-regulate your nervous system. And over time, you will get better at guitar. You can start adding a little variation like this. You know the drill. If you want the full step-by-step guide, check out guitarresetmethod.com. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps the channel. You can see I'm starting to grow. I think we're onto something here. Thank you for stopping by and spread the good news. Found a solution. Solution to what?